They really have a cutting-edge electronics and inverter system. And Tim's going to just give you a look at the Seakeeper gyroscopic stabilizer right there. And then to conclude our engine room look, I will say that this kind of maintenance, when we do a survey, should you have a serious interest in this boat, you'll see these engines, oil, Seakeeper maintenance records, generator maintenance records, exceptional maintenance records. The captain is really obsessive in a good way and does a fantastic job with the mechanics and safety of this vessel. The Absolute 62 Fly features a nice, comfortable crew quarters with accommodations for two, their own ensuite restroom. Like most owners, this crew quarters is used for storage and so on, so we're not going to show it to you, but it's in excellent condition and a great place for storage, kids, taking a quick shower after you've been swimming without having to go on board. One other thing I'll point out, Tim, is the cockpit helm station on the right side. You see that joystick right over on the right side of the cockpit? Every Absolute comes with that as well.